State Bank of India Nongpoh branch benta kasngi kala penlong ya ka SBI Smart Agri Customer Meet Harisai Conference Hall Nongpoh ban penlong ka jingya kren hapdeng kinong rem kinong sengkam ki officer sarkar bat ki officer ka SBI halor kilat kilinti ban kentiu ya ka kamrep kamriang katkum kejuk ke bamenta ha kane ka jingyalang layadon lang u Ijaz Ahmed DMG ka SBI ka kong Serolin Khain District Agriculture Officer Ribhoi District u Pradip Kumar Bora Professor ka Central Agriculture University u Dr. H Talang Senior Scientist ka ICR bat ki wei ki officer ki nongrep ki lapan pau ba ka jingya trelang kalong ka badon kam ban kentiu ya ka kamrep kamriang bat ya ka yo ka kod jong ki nongrep da ka babut ya ka rukom rep ka bathamai ki bayahab bat ka juk start menta ka jingyalang kalalong ru kalat ban peni ya ki nongrep ya ki lat jingyarap lengba ki bang bat kentiu ya ka kamrep kamriang ha kani ka sngi ka SBI Nongpoh branch kala samru ya ki self help group sanction letter sha ka wei ka kanhun self help group kum ka jingkershan ban penklan ya ka kamrep jong ka kanhun
nationwide activity. We are conducting such programs all over India, from Jammu to Kerala, from Nongpoh to Gujarat. Everywhere we are conducting. We are already conducted more than 100 programs, such programs in this fortnight. And our purpose is to connect with the farmers, tell them that we are here for them. We are here to develop the rural community. We are here to help them grow as agripreneurs, rural entrepreneurs, and we want them to become processor from producer, because they will be involved in processing activities. Overall upliftment will be there. The government is also supporting such activities, and we are also here to help them out.
So through the SBI, what kind of facilities you are provided to the farmers?
We are providing every type of facility, from term loan, cash credit, letter of credit, bank guarantees, even the products which are required for exporters that are also covered. Every facility is there. Whatever the government schemes are there, we are also implementing.
So is there any future plan to organize such kind of program in other area of the district or in the state of Agri?
Yeah, this type of program will be conducted down the year so that the proper communication is given to all.